If your kitchen feels cluttered with appliances and cooking still somehow takes too long, you're not alone. The real frustration isn't just the time. It's needing multiple tools just to make one simple meal. Today we're taking a closer look at the Simple Deluxe 6-quart electric pressure cooker 16-in-1, a multi-cooker designed for busy families, beginners, and anyone who wants to simplify cooking without sacrificing variety. It promises to replace several appliances while making everyday meals faster and easier. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the design feels solid and practical. The stainless steel exterior gives it a clean, modern look, and more importantly, it holds up well with regular use. It doesn't feel flimsy or lightweight, which is something you notice immediately when placing it on the counter. The inner pot has a non-stick ceramic coating, and in real life, that means less sticking, less oil, and easier cleanup after cooking. The lid locks securely, and overall, it feels like something built for everyday use rather than occasional cooking. The control panel is where things stay simple, even with all the features packed in. You've got multiple preset options for things like rice, meat, steam, and yogurt, but they're clearly labeled and easy to understand. You don't feel like you need a manual every time you use it. It's designed in a way that beginners can pick it up quickly while still giving enough flexibility for different types of meals. When it comes to performance, this cooker focuses on efficiency. Meals that usually take a long time, like stews or slow-cooked dishes, are done much faster here. The pressure cooking function locks in moisture and flavor, so you're not sacrificing taste for speed. It's consistent as well, which is important if you're using it regularly. You're not guessing whether your meal will turn out right. It just works once you get familiar with it. In everyday use, it fits naturally into a routine. You can prep your ingredients, set the cooker, and move on with your day without needing to check constantly. That set-it-and-go approach makes a big difference, especially on busy weekdays. The noise level is typical for a pressure cooker, not silent, but not distracting either. The safety features, like the locking lid and pressure release system, also make it feel more approachable, especially if you're new to this type of cooking. Cleaning is one of the biggest advantages here. The ceramic non-stick pot prevents food from sticking too much, so most of the time you're just rinsing it out. And since the parts are dishwasher safe, it cuts down on cleanup time significantly. That's something you'll appreciate if you're using it daily. Of course, there are a few downsides. The 6-quart size is great for families, but it might feel too large if you're cooking for 1 or 2 people. It also takes up a noticeable amount of counter space, which could be a concern in smaller kitchens. While it offers many functions, it doesn't go as deep into customization as some higher-end models. And like most multi-cookers, it does a lot of things well, but it won't completely replace specialized appliances for certain recipes. Compared to popular models like the Instant Pot Duo, the Simple Deluxe 6-quart electric pressure cooker 16-in-1 offers a similar range of features at a more accessible level. It focuses on usability and value rather than advanced tech or smart features. That makes it a good option for people who want versatility without overcomplicating things. So who is this really for? If you're cooking for a family, trying to save time, or just want a single appliance that can handle most of your meals, this is a strong choice. It's especially useful if you're new to pressure cooking and want something easy to use. On the other hand, if you're cooking small portions or prefer very specific cooking tools, you might want to look at a smaller or more specialized option. At the end of the day, the Simple Deluxe 6-quart electric pressure cooker 16-in-1 is all about making cooking simpler, faster, and more convenient without adding unnecessary complexity. If you want to check the latest price or see if it fits your kitchen setup, take a look at the link in the description. And if this review helped you out, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.